Hey guys, got some new suspension parts for the MK1 Jetta, and just want to do an open box video with the help of my best friend here. Come on, Davey. Yes, you don't want to come? Okay, come sit here. Dad, we'll open the box together. Come on. Sit. Okay. Okay, first thing is the OEM rear strut mount bushings. Bought these from MK1 Auto House. Bought a pair of them, and I would definitely highly recommend that you replace these when you do suspension swaps. So 2 of those, 1 for each side. The next thing I got is from s&pautomotive. These are extended strut caps or towers. So these will basically, let me pull them out. Came with the bushings, the bearings, top hat, and the strut tower extenders. Here, all nice and wrinkle powder coated, or whatever they did to it. Comes with a pair of 2. So I'll have another one here, and all the bolts and of course whatnot. Oh, and they gave me a what do you call these? Cup holder? Cup holders? And a little flyer thingy. Pretty cool. And lastly, so I bought these to help with suspension travel and to help with ride comfort. So let's see if these help. Okay. Lastly, the main part of open box. Pretty sure you guys can see the brand of the suspension setup, but a lot of you guys will probably ask, why did I choose Raceland? I chose Raceland because, for one, I'm not planning to track the MK1 Jetta. This will just be like a optional daily driver. And 2, lifetime warranty. And 3, I just wanted to get some low for the MK1 Jetta. So let's open these and show you what they look like. I bought the greens, so stiffer, supposedly stiffer spring setup compared to the reds. You want to help Dad? Yeah. Yes? Yeah. Okay. Dad's gonna cut the tape first, okay? Okay, open. Oh, wow. There's that sticker. Oh. Invoice. Installation instructions. Okay, open it. Open. Oh. Open. Thank you. Oh. Here, Dad, take it out. This is heavy. Okay. What are these? Oh, what is this? Black box. So first. Actually bought a lot of Raceland coils before. Oh, nice. Little keychain. Look. Pretty cool. A little coilover keychain. That's the first. Okay. Love. Here, let me show you. Come on. Okay. Here they are. This is the back one. Can you guys see that? So, Raceland Ultimos. I mean, Racelands are Racelands. But I have a set on my Mark IV before, a set on my D6A4 before, a set on one of my MK3 before, so I'm not pretty familiar with these, and I already know what they will ride like, and it doesn't bother me. Right, so can't wait to get these installed and show you how the Mark I will look. Pretty excited. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. And make sure you stay tuned for the install of this on my Mark I Jetta. What's wrong? Huh? Car? Yeah, see, look. Wow. We're all done. Okay? Close it. Close it. Close it. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.